Well, it's time for our health report, and joining us now is Africa 54 health correspondent Linord Moudou with a look at cancer therapy. Linord?
Hello, Vincent. A private clinic in the Czech capital, Prague, is using the latest proton therapy technology to treat patients with cancer. The technique beams protons at cancerous cells to kill them. Proponents of the treatment say using proton beams reduces the damage to healthy tissue that more conventional radiation can cause. They also say the proton beams are highly suited to target hard-to-reach tumors, like those growing very close to key organs, such as the brainstem and spinal cord. Vladimir Vondracek is head physician at the Proton Therapy Center.
That gives you possibility to deliver very high doses or the therapeutic doses to the tumor on one hand, and on the other hand to save the healthy tissue as much as possible, because you are not irradiating healthy tissues, so you cannot expect side effects in healthy tissues. Very important is for children, for young people, or even for men with expectation of longer life, like for example prostate we have seen.
So I came to Prague in October last year. The treatment lasted for a month. I had 21 radiations, no side effects. And what is remarkable, that I haven't felt any negative side effects since.
A new UNICEF report says child survival rates have increased dramatically since 1990. The 2014 Committing to Child Survival, a Promise Renewed progress report, indicates that under age 5 deaths have been slashed in half from over 12 million to less than 7 million, and has dropped by 49% between 1990 and 2013. The average annual reduction has accelerated. In some countries, it has even tripled. But overall, progress is still short of meeting the global target of a 2/3 decrease in under 5 mortality by 2015. Miki Chopra is Associate Director of Programs and Chief of Health with UNICEF.
We are having examples, Niger, Malawi, Nepal, Ethiopia, countries with relatively per capita economic growth of negligible economic growth, and yet they've reduced child mortality by 60% or more in a relatively short period of time. So that's the really exciting part of this field, is that there's new innovations and new technologies which is making us able to achieve results which were unthinkable even a decade ago. The health system is weak, then not only will we continue not to make the progress at the rate at which we've been seeing, but also that progress can be reversed very quickly. And so a key part of this report and the Promise Renewed movement is about how do we build political commitment.
The UNICEF report also says the first 28 days of a newborn's life are the most vulnerable, and almost 2.8 million babies die each year during this period.